Good morning, sir.
Morning, Sandeep. Good news for you. I am also a big fan of Ayushmann Khurrana. But you won't get any extra mark for that. Huh?
Yeah.
And in
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Sandeep. Good news for you. I am also a big fan of Ayushmann Khurrana. But you won't get any extra mark for that. Huh?
Yeah.
And in fact, somebody was commenting कि आपका पोज जो है वो शाहरुख खान जैसा था और आप फैन जो है वो आयुष्मान के.
Actually, I love the way he has, ladder of success जो होता है ना, जो उसने चढ़ा है ना उस इंसान ने. That is spellbinding.
Great. Okay. And I must say yours was a very spirited speech kind of thing. Good to hear it from the younger generation. Now my question is more from a little bit technical aspect of this whole discussion. As a chartered accountant, how do I distinguish between, say, something which is a violation of ethical norms and a professional risk? For example, that whole ILFS audit issue, which is being, talked about a lot. Do you feel it was some kind of a breach on ethical counts, or it was a plain, simple risk of profession of chartered accountancy?
Sir, thank you for the question. First, I will just talk about ILFS audit. ILFS audit में क्या हुआ था? कि the NFRA has alleged that auditors, the engagement partner, did not evaluate the most important work aspects related to audit, जैसे audit evaluation, audit procedures, audit evidence. तो जो इस तरह की चीजें अराइज होती हैं, that only means कि 3 साल की आर्टिकलशिप में we are almost well versed कि हमें किस तरह से अपने ऑडिट को आगे बढ़ाना है. So professional accountants are well aware of their duties, of the law which exists, and how to execute that law and how to ensure compliance out of clients. अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि KPMG के एंगेजमेंट पार्टनर को इतनी बेसिक चीज नहीं पता तो वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है सर. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को लॉ के बारे में नहीं पता? वी ऑल नो कि लॉ एग्जिस्ट करता है, बस बात ये है कि हम में से कितना जज्बा रखते हैं उसको फॉलो करने के लिए. वी ऑल थिंक दैट कि that's why I refer to Maslow's need hierarchy theory कि हमारी बेसिक नीड्स एक बार फुलफिल हो जाए ना, then it is the responsibility for each and every one of us to uphold the highest degree of social standards and comply with the ethical norms. So once our basic needs are met, there is no question that we should definitely and indispensably, follow the ethical standards. And regarding कि मैं differentiate कैसे करूँगा ethical compliance में और अपने professional risk में, so this is how you gain experience over a period of time. You learn from things. For example, ILS audit में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो हम में से काफी कुछ ने सीखा है कि misreporting जैसे बैलेंस शीट्स में होती है, we should definitely check कि at least जो कंपनी की एसेट्स हैं, do they match the values which is being put up in the balance sheets? क्या actually exist करते हैं? When we are, ethically focused कि हमें एक चीज रखनी कि जो जिसपे हम साइन कर रहे हैं, the document we are signing, upholds the truth that it presents, उस दिन ethical issue का बात ही नहीं आएगी. Because हम अपने signature पे इतना believe करते हैं that it can change the world. And we should always believe कि हमारा signature world change कर सकता है, और जब ये चीज आ जाएगी ना, हम में से कोई ethical non-compliance नहीं करेगा. Thank you.
I would like to ask one more question.
Sure,
okay.
Sure.
Again, as a chartered accountant, how do you think that I should only be carrying the torch of ethical compliances where the society around myself is showing a great sign of decay?
Sir, भगवान को जाके अपना चेहरा दिखाना है ऊपर जाके. So I believe कि बहुत ही subjective चीज हो जाती है. It gets very subjective for us, कि मैं should I focus on my survival and maintain my living standards, or I go for complete ethical compliance, जबकि दूसरे, I should not say that, दूसरे non-ethical compliance ना करके, ethical compliance ना करके they are earning very well. But then I feel it's all about your self-consciousness. I have always believed that you should always believe in one thing: stay true to your own consciousness. When you can answer your consciousness अपनी रात की नींद से पहले ना, तो रात को नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है. And for एंड वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है 10,000 या 20,000 से ज्यादा, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए मेरी रात की नींद, सुकून की नींद, जब जो मेरा कॉन्शियसनेस मुझे कहता है कि यार आई हैव डन समथिंग गुड टुडे, दैट्स मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी देन मनी.
Thank you.
Sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sandeep.